This is a grill cover that we've had for several months now. I live in the Pacific Northwest. As you can see, it's raining. The grill cover is completely wet. We're going to take this off and see if our Traeger smoker underneath is dry. But before I do that, I want to point out some features of this cover. Number one is there are handles here at the top so you can easily pull it off of the grill. Secondly, there's reflective tape on both sides of the grill so that you can easily locate this in the dark. It's reflective up to 300 meters. Also, on either side, there are metal eyelets so that you can tie off the bottom of it for just more secure wrapping of your grill. This is a material that's very heavy duty and is resistant to tearing. I should also say that for those of you who live in hot climates, it's not going to melt your grill or anything. So fits our grill really well. We have a Traeger 22 and as you can see, it's got unique fitting for the stack here. And so we've really enjoyed it and it's kept it in great shape for us. Underneath the reflective strips are some vents that just allow for better airflow under here. So it helps to resist the amount of moisture buildup. So on both sides, there's an air vent, a mesh air vent here that's covered completely by that fabric so it doesn't get wet. Okay, let's go ahead and take this off and see how our smoker looks. So I just pull it straight off like this. You can see the smoker here is in good shape on the inside. It's really easy to put back on. You just kind of work it over the top. I try to put it down in the stack here first, and then just kind of work the edges around until you have it completely over your grill. Make sure the bottom of the cover is pulled all the way down on all four sides. Just like that, and we're covered back up and protected against the elements. So that's my review of this cover, and hopefully this helps you out as you consider what's best for your grill.